part of my Back to School, Off to College, Build Your Dream Network video series, created, inspired, scripted by, and filmed by my phenomenal intern, Nika Kindred. Yay, Nika! And we're going to give you some tips that Nika has come up with in this episode of how to take a perfect headshot. Okay, maybe not perfect, but it's going to be really damn good and better than one of you just lounging on a sofa. Step 1, find some inspiration. Look on Google or on Pinterest and find some headshots that you like. Make a collection of them somewhere and take special note of the poses so you're not lost when you actually get in front of the camera. Step 2, pick a camera. Are you using your laptop? Do you have access to a real camera? If you do, that's really great. A phone with a good camera works really terrifically too. Step 3, find your lighting. Try taking selfies and see where you look your best. Make sure you have a blank background. Step 4, get your look together. A crisp white button-down shirt is the perfect look for a professional headshot. Keep your makeup simple and your jewelry too. Make sure it's professional, although I suspect you knew that already. Step 5, adjust your settings. If you have a tripod, that's amazing. If not, a stack of books should do the trick. If you're using your phone, go ahead and put it in selfie mode and then put the self timer on. If you're using a camera, put on the self timer too. You can use it in automatic mode, or if you're a little more experienced, put it in manual. If you're using manual, don't forget to adjust the aperture so you get the depth of field right. Step 6, take some photos. The great thing about taking your own pictures is you've got all the time in the world, or the time you have patience for, to get that perfect headshot. So snap away and enjoy yourself to get that perfect headshot. Step 7, upload the headshot everywhere. LinkedIn, check. Facebook, check. Twitter, check. Snapchat, check. What else you got out there? Make sure it's everywhere so that you have a consistent image you're networking across the internet.